Just keep going, Mr. Tour Guide. There's oh my.
Yes, yes, full speed, full speed, full speed.
Mr. Tour Guide.
There's full speed. You can't stop now.
Mr. Tour Guide, I ate shit about a mile back.
You can catch up.
Mr. Tour Guide.
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Mr. Tour Guide, I'm just trying to talk with you about your
God
hoverboard's
damn.
warranty.
Oh. Okay. Okay. I made it.
Mr. Tour Guide.
I looked last second. Alright, I'm gonna cook some meat for us. Oh. Never mind, you're just gonna go in the cave without me? Guess I'll just go in the cave and make a fire in there. That's fine.
Mama, you raised the bitch. I got lots of meat.
Look, Mama raised a hungry bitch, alright? So.
Yeah, I'm sure. I got 9 mil. I got an air tank. I got an entertainment bunker.
I'm throwing meat on this fire.
Ow!
You're on fire, Bresky. Oh, I got clean water too. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck this shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sir, move, tour guide.
hold on.
Charge!
Oh my god. All the frame drops.
We don't need frames.
Frames are for bitches.
1 frame an hour.
Oh shit. What is going on? You dead!
What's good, Mr. Demon?
Ah, demon.
What's good, Mr. Demon?
Those demons are easy to kill though. We could steal like armor from them.
I don't know if this is the right way.
I don't know either actually, so I'm right down. We will find it together.
Okay, I need to stop.
Don't worry, I got this. He's dead.
Behind me, God, there's another one. Run! Run! Fucking run! Just fucking run!
Ooh, that, yeah,
I
that's
got a
big
radio.
blind. Oh my god.
Just keep fucking running!
Whoa, shit! Oh my god!
Babies!
Oh, I might die.
Babies!
I might die.
Babies!
I might die. Oh shit.
No, you're good.
Everything's bad.
You're good, Mr. Tour Guide.
I need to heal. Oh, he's coming. He's coming!
A stun gun.
A stun gun? Goated, run! I'm dead. Dead. No, Dylan, come get me, please! Shoot that demon in the face! Oh my god. Hello? It still sounds right next to me. Hey. Oh!
I'm in a safety spot. Bro, just start blasting, bro. Just start blasting.
I got him.
I just wasted every shot of 9 mil on that fucking stomach one, bro. He just ate them bitches.
Gotta take that one.
Go.
Okay, so we did indeed go the wrong way. I'm gonna take some pills.
But we got the stun gun.
We did. We did indeed get the stun gun.
I got a grenade!
You got a grenade?
I got a grenade! From From this dude. This dude right here.
Here we go.
He has stun gun
Oh
ammo.
shit, yeah, dude. Let's go this
He has stun gun
way.
ammo.
This not this way. I swear to God, there was a knife symbol. I swear to God, there's knife symbols over these guys, and I'm just not being able to pick them up. Where did you go? You're leaving me behind.
Keep going.
There's lots of bats I do not like. Oh my God. I'm just gonna go this way then. I'm gonna assume it's this way. There's another finger demon. Oh, he coming! Oh, he coming!
No, he's not. No, he's not. Don't even worry about it.
Oh. There's a shark. There's a shark.
An arm. And a shark. What the fuck?
Scuba gear! Scuba gear!
I'm assuming we need to dive.
Alright, give me 1 sec to blast that shark away real quick. Where'd he go?
Yup.
There he is.
Dang. Dang.
Come on, die, bitch.
Dang.
I think he did.
Dang. Did we just dive in?
Yeah, this way!
I can't see shit, huh?
Yep. This is getting pretty cramped.
Hey, God, I ran out of oxygen. I died about 15 feet back.
Nah, we made it.
Nah, God, I drowned. Can't There we go.
We have our things are over here. Oh my God! Take off the fucking scuba mask.
How do I take it off?
You gotta go fucking in your inventory and take it off. It's so annoying. It's on the far
Where
right
is
side. Isn't it?
It's at the bottom, right?
Bottom right. Yeah. All
Where are we
right.
going? We're going back to base?
We're going back to base. Whoa! Where am I going? Oh no! 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 Into a lot of trees. Ah! We're getting it. We're getting it. I'm zooming. Oh! I'm here too. Let's go! Do we have somewhere to save? Did you made a bed, right? Oh, thank God. Oh, I just need a save. Oh my God.
Hit 5 feet.
Fixed it. Oh yeah, we got little mopeds. I forgot about that.
The bitches are still there? Let's go.
Yeah, dude.
I was hoping that saving with them in the base was a good idea.
Well, yours is still in there. Yeah, mine's outside still.
Let's go! Park my shit inside, bro. We need a little mini wheel garage.
We need a mini garage.
Yeah, bro, let's spend 10 hours taking fucking logs to build that.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea.
Yeah. I'm still loading on my screen.
I don't know why I'm making this, but I'm making it.
Back. Ugh.
Hey, cuz. Look on your map. You see the little fucking dot thing?
The blue dot? No. What? Where? Oh.
Yeah, that wasn't there before.
What is that?
That's the actual objective thing. That's where we're supposed to be going.
What do you mean?
Like, those are where the actual story is. Those markers. Those are the actual markers.
Okay, so why is there only one and why have they not been there before?
That's I don't know, Dylan. That's what I was questioning.
Good.
I think you're out of ammo, bro.
I didn't know you noticed that, bro.
But I'm not, so... we have a little particular... what if I just...
Eat that. That actually didn't do that much. I'm not gonna lie to you, it really didn't.
It shouldn't have. You have infected armor though, right? It should have just took one off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it should only have took one off. I hope.
Oh yeah, I don't think it did anything to me.
Oh, dude. Okay.
I'm legitimately like, I'm still at like more than 75% health. Like,
Do you know?
did literally nothing.
Oh wait, we got the scuba stuff and shit, right? And the zip line.
Yup, the scuba Stevie.
All right, bet. You want to go get the shovel?
Is that where the green one?
No. That's the house up there by the cave.
What?
Okay, look at me.
Oh, that
way? Not that way, but that way.
Wait, hold on, wait. That way?
That way, where the cave is. That way.
Oh, so we're going to that cave.
Yeah, but there's a house on it too. If you like look at it from a different angle.
Oh, there is.
Oh, sorry, I was just eating.
Bryce, you don't know.
Oh. It was right there. I didn't think we needed it.
I'm taking mine everywhere. What you talking about?
I mean,
What you talking about? We? What you mean we don't need it, bro? You don't need it. I'm out this bitch.
Oh my god.
Knowing you, your ass would be crashing 57 times by now.
Yeah, I would, dude. I cannot control that thing.
Order the longer key to the bowl.
The longer.
The longer?
Yeah. I don't really know. I just said one.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, fuck it. The fly's coded information. She's like, which one? He's like, oh, yeah, the longer one. She's like, yeah. He's like, yeah. 10 seconds later.
I have no fucking clue.
Hey, so I parked my Segway right here.
Alright, that's fine. We gotta go in this cave right here.
What are these? Got money, bro. I just got 28 bucks.
Yeah, you can use that, bro. You need soda.
I could buy soda.
I think so. Pretty sure.
Soda.
Soda pop, bro.
I sure love me some soda.
I love soda too, bro.
I can't see a goddamn thing in here.
I did not want my fucking light, bro. I want my flashlight.
Yeah, that's what I just pulled out too, bro. I legitimately pulled out my flashlight.
You gotta go on this thing. Use the zip line thing on this. I want the... Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't break my legs.
Yeah, I was trying to grab that other cloth that was
I know, that's what I was trying to grab. Alright, I don't know if there's sharks in this area anymore or not, so good luck. We gotta go downwards into that hole. I'm right behind you, brother. Are we just gonna run through this like we did last time?
I ain't gonna lie, that song's a banger, bro. When that new Aladdin movie came out, the fucking Arabian Nights and stuff with Will Smith, bro, that shit's a banger. I listened to that shit like 60 times when it came out, I swear to God. I might turn that shit on right now, bro. It kinda fits the I did it!
There's more.
Oh my god, it's that.
Oh!
Oh my god! Back up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I thought that one was still alive. I was like, bro, it has no head. Oh!
That one also has no head.
No, I cut its arm off. Get off me.
I want its skin.
Wait! I do too.
Give me that skin, boy.
Yeah. Give me your skin, Bryce. Yeah.
Wait a minute, wrong skin, brother.
Wait a minute. That was the story of how Bryce got started.
Oh, there's a lot of them!
Hey, I got a wetsuit right here. Did you get a wetsuit?
Oh, I did not, but I will in a second.
You just
Where's the wetsuit? Oh, I see it.
Right here.
Goated. It makes you slower, though, is the only downfall.
There's gotta be a benefit to it, though.
Yeah, I think you swim faster.
Motherfucker said swim slower, swim faster.
No, I said move slower, like in normal. Because you got like fucking
going
big
to-
ass flippers. What did
I
you
guess
do?
the answer is yes. I guess the answer is yes.
What did you
I
do?
asked, are we going this way?
Oh!
Yeah. I was asking if we're going that way, and then the answer was yes. I got you, bro. I'll catch you.
Catch
I
me!
got you.
Help! I don't think you caught me, bro.
Nah, bro, I definitely did. You tripping. You smoke too much.
Oh wait, I think this one's with.
Mid,
This one has the
Where?
shark. Watch out. I'm pretty sure.
more
I don't know.
meds,
Just watch out. Oh
Weed.
god.
a skull.
I don't
slug
need this
ammo.
many fucking meds, bro.
That's a lot of meds, yeah. that's a lot of meds. Hey, don't worry, I got a grenade right here and a C4 break.
That's supposed to break open, isn't it? I'm pretty sure. Oh damn it, demons! Fight the demons in the night!
Watch out! Hadouken!
There's one behind you! Behind you!
Bro,
Rah!
there you go.
Rah!
I got another one.
I'm skinning. I'm taking his skin. I'm taking his skin. Everything's fine. Ow! Ow! He's taking my skin.
Boss, you okay over there? Heard some owls.
Yeah. I'm just. It was the demon I was targeting.
It was the demon, bro. The
Yeah.
demon was saying ow.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Take everything, even if I can't take it. Take it.
I'll fucking say girl.
Yeah, I'll cut him up next to you, bro. Don't worry.
Yeah, bro, it's double skin him.
Be a demon in the night.
You heard that too.
Yeah.
Whole fucking cave just crumbled
Oh!
over here.
Oh! I don't want to fight
I'm
you.
coming.
Oh!
I'm coming.
Pull out the whipping.
Hey!
Pull out
Guess
the
what we
whip.
call this time for, yup?
Get his ass. Yeah. That's what I call the American fight style. Oh shit, there's another one.
Shit.
Fuck him up. Fight back. Fight back. Oh, there's another one.
We skin
Yeah, you can.
Oh my
Help. Oh my god.
Help.
shit.
There we go, boss.
He fucked me up, bro. He took. Oh
Nah,
no.
you got
Oh
it.
no. I'm not good. Oh my god, he took all of my fucking skin, bro.
Right, we just die.
I can't skin these ones. Where's my skin option? There it is. Oh my god, dude. He fucking just started mollywopping me with the hand slaps.
I just started my recording, but I'm literally just gonna use it to fuck around with
Oh, the editing stuff?
yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of what I did with our first recording. I mean...
Yeah, cause I need like I got more ammo! Let's go.
Oh, dude. I got a flashlight attachment.
I got a demon with no arms but a lot of fingers. Guess what it's time for?
Yeah. Nah, bro. Back up. What are you doing? Bro,
No,
back
what
up.
happened?
Oh, shit!
Oh my
Run,
god!
run!
I'm running, God! I'm running! Damn!
I got him. I said grenade
Hey, let
out.
me try that. Let me try that.
What?
He said, I got 4 grenades. I just got a flashlight attachment.
Yeah, that's what I have. Do you have a rail for your pistol so you put it on?
No!
I do, bitch.
Hey, but I got a demon baby right here.
Oh, dude. I kind of want a laser.
Demon baby. Demon baby whooping my ass though, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, demon baby really whooping my ass. Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Okay, I got a flashlight on my pistol now.
I got more ammo. My gat.
I got my pistol out.
Flashlight
Let's
on
go. Oh shit, that baby's moving!
He's zooming.
Ow! Fuck, bro. He's so fast. Pull out the gat.
Yeah,
Ow! Fuck! I'm just trying to get the Ambro.
The Ambro? Dean Ambro? Shoot! Hey, my flashlight's gonna die and I might not have no batteries. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You better open, dude. Hey, you
Yeah, I ain't
can't
gonna lie.
stop
I ain't
in the
got,
middle of the
I
fucking
ain't got no
pathway.
more batteries. I have 0 batteries.
There we go.
Bro, you missed some monies right here.
I don't care
Lost
about
some money.
monies.
Lost some money. Bro, I just made like 60 bucks. How do we refill the air tanks?
I think they're refilling their own. Oh my god, there's so many! Demons everywhere! Oh, fuck, that hurt! Oh shit! He just spit up all over me. That was nasty. Me next.
Hey, I'm stuck. Oh shit!
What? Where? Oh shit! God damn!
It ran so fast. It looked like a shadow just ran by me.
Hey, I kind of want that armor. Why does the knife keep going away, bro? Come on.
Damn, bro, they got like a whole grow room down here, bro. A baby!
Baby.
My flashlight's dead!
You still have a flashlight for me. Oh, just run past these guys. The shovel's right here. Run.
I still have a flashlight.
There's
Bitches don't work.
What's up? You go this?
Oh, that hurt. Oh, you.
Yeah,
really
like
hurt
I
me.
said, he fucking hurts.
That
Ow.
tickle, bro. You know what doesn't tickle though? My gas.
God, no, he's dead. Calm down. This is messing up. Calm down.
You calm down. Hey, so like, what happens if I go this way?
You can't. I don't think you can at least. Oh, you can now.
Thank
Can you? Okay. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, come on, let's go. We're running backwards now. Oop, shit.
I can't see.
Just follow me.
I can see even less when the flashlight's in my face.
Just follow me. I'll get us out of here.
Then the light is all I see. Is there no like exit back out? We really have to go all the way back?
No, there's a shortcut like part way back. That's what I was talking about earlier. Like I swear there was a way over here, and I know
Alright,
exactly what I got to
I'm
do.
gonna pop a med real quick.
Oh, there's more ammo right there.
I got more meds.
Oh, there's
bro,
another
to make
finger
up for-
demon. There's another finger demon one. Finger
I
demon.
got more ammo.
Oh, demon. Oh, shit.
Finger demon wants your butt. You are the father. I can't see shit, bro.
He's coming.
Hey, he's
He's
chasing.
coming.
Yeah, let's get him.
Ow. I'm
Yeah, don't mind me, bro.
running, bro.
He's stuck. He's not stuck. He's slightly less stuck than he was before, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm taking meds and I'm
And
running.
by slightly less stuck, I mean that.
Right here. Gotta blow it up. Or just run right into the demon. That's fine. Too.
I got you, bro. Watch out. I know what to hit him with.
A grenade.
Not a grenade.
There's a lot of more grenades right here. Oh my god. C4.
Got
Let's
it.
go.
Damn, bro. I should just toss an 8 at him. I'm gonna like 8 grenades right now, bro.
Oh babies, I'm running past them. Fuck that. Nope.
I can't see.
Yes, you can. Just keep running and jumping. You'll make it.
Fucking said yes. He said yes, you can.
You in complete
Coach,
darkness.
I can't breathe now, coach.
Yes, you can. Just breathe. Oh god, I got smacked. There's so many babies.
I'm out of stamina.
You better get more stamina. Stamina.
I'm
my
just
God.
jumping over babies right now, bro.
Oh my god. We've made it to the end.
Come on.
We've made it.
I'm on egg games. Oh my god.
We did it. We finally made it. And now we have the
Hey, shit,
shovel.
bro, I'm just gonna.
Hey, wait, hey.
I'm just.
You're not allowed to be
I'm
inside
just-
me like that, right? I didn't
I'm
give you
just.
any
Ew, your
consent.
eyeballs.
Alright, let's take this fucking gay ass thing off now. Equip that. Alright, cool.
Hey, where my subway?
Oh, I get it. Oh, I
where's my
get
subway?
it. I know why there. Oh, I know. I get it.
What? Because it's as we unlock it.
Yeah, there's like there's computers in the fucking
to-
caves and
oh.
shit, and then you can get locations of those. Oh, that's cool. I like that. That's way better.
I'm about to break my ankles with this fall. Oh, just kidding. I
I'm not
didn't even
near
fall.
you. You're the one who has
I'm
to go
a
get your
fucking
fucking shit
goat.
back.
I already got it, bro. I'm just. Oh fuck! I accidentally double jumped. It wasn't even a crash. It was a misinput. My dude just
Misinput.
double hopped. He just double hopped and fucking. That was the end of it.
Oh,
I forgot to jump. I just gotta push it once.
I need to get home and cook this meat.
Oh, there's the tree.
Damn,
Turn
bro.
around,
I made it
Turn around,
home,
go.
bro.
Turn around, go.
No,
Hey,
God.
Let
I
me say
saw
something
you
about
for
some
one
meat, bro.
split second.
Somebody say something about some me, bro. Yay!
Oh, I
I
forgot to
just
put a
crashed.
fire into this.
I just crashed through the front door on my thingy.